Then and Now by Margie Burton, Kathy French, and Tammy Jones. Then and Now. Here is my diary. I write in it every day. My grandma gave me her diary. She wrote in it every day when she was little, like I am. I like to look at what she wrote when she was little, like I am. I like to look at her pictures too. My grandma wrote, "We got a new car today. This is what it looks like." This is what my grandma put in her diary for January 20, 1940. I wrote, "Here I am by our car. I like to ride in it." This is what I put in my diary for January 20 this year. My grandma wrote, "I went to a baseball game. It was so much fun." This is what it looked like. This is what my grandma put in her diary for April 30, 1940. I wrote, "Today I went to a baseball game. My team won." This is what I put in my diary for April 30 this year. My grandma wrote, "Here is a picture of my teacher and my class at school." This is what my grandma put in her diary for June 20, 1940. I wrote, "We did puzzles at school today. We all had fun." This is what I put in my diary for June 20 this year. My grandma wrote, "We are going far away today. We have to take a big ship to get there. This is what it looks like." This is what my grandma put in her diary for July 7, 1940. I wrote, "We are going on a trip. We are going far away. We have to fly to get there." This is what I put in my diary for July 7 this year. My grandma wrote, "I went to the beach today. Here is a picture I took at the beach." This is what my grandma put in her diary for August 10, 1940. I wrote, "I like to play at the beach. I like to play in the sand." This is what I put in my diary for August 10 this year. My grandma wrote, "Here is a picture of our radio. I like to listen to it." This is what my grandma put in her diary on October 12, 1940. I wrote, "My mom, dad, and I watched TV today. I like to watch TV." This is what I put in my diary on October 12 this year. I went to see my grandma today. We looked at her diary and then we looked at my diary. It was fun to look at them. How are the boys and his grandmother's diary similar?